Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. If you think you are too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito. My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness. Remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each other exceeds your need for each other. Know the rules well so you can break them effectively. Silence is sometimes the best answer. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Choose to be optimistic. It feels better. Remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck. Judge your success by what you had to give up in order to get it. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. When we meet real tragedy in life, we can react in two ways, either by losing hope and falling into self-destructive habits, or by using the challenge to find our inner strength. We can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. If you can cultivate the right attitude, your enemies are your best spiritual teachers, because their presence provides you with the opportunity to enhance and develop tolerance, patience, and understanding. All suffering is caused by ignorance. People inflict pain on others in the selfish pursuit of their own happiness or satisfaction. The more you are motivated by love, the more fearless and free your action will be. There are only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday, and the other is called tomorrow. Today is the right day to love, believe, do, and mostly live. Give the ones you love wings to fly, roots to come back, and reasons to stay. When you realize you've made a mistake, take immediate steps to correct it. In the practice of tolerance, one's enemy is the best teacher. Share your knowledge. It is a way to achieve immortality. The way to change others' minds is with affection and not anger. The true hero is one who conquers his own anger and hatred. True change is within. Leave the outside as it is. Open your arms to change, but don't let go of your values.